L, paano daw muna kaning camera? Pa-video mo muna.
Picture po.
Video lang, video. Ito, nakarecord na yan.
Wow, may major yan.
Wala po sa
Yes, and welcome to the FishCon 2025 Advocacy Parade Competition.
So ano ba yung mangyayari sa atin?
So we have the various divisions of PSO from Albay, Yes, and this competition will also serve as a creative platform to highlight our commitment to promote awareness, responsibility, and collective action towards sustainable fisheries, protection of marine resources, and food security for all. Please take this part of the ground. Proceed po dito sa gilid para dun sa mga ating mga community. We have the office of the regional director. We also have the FishCon ambassadors and ambassadresses, winners of 2024. So that's the office of the regional director. Siyempre, nandyan yung ating mga majorettes and approaching. So we will give you 2 minutes to flex. So this is the FMRED, or the Fisheries Management Regulatory and Enforcement Division. Ayun na po doon. Layo pa po dito.
Sunod-sunod kayo naman ang alright, so pakita na natin yung FMRED and FEFSG. Coming.
Ano ba yung sunod? At parang may choreography. So our participants for today's advocacy parade will be according to the following criteria. Relevant to the theme, 30%.
Sige po, talikod.
Isda ang isa sa mga pinagkukunan ng protina.
3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay na po, thank you. Kaya ka niyo.
Ikaw, ako, tayo.
PFO Alba!
PFO Albay!
headed by their CFO, Sir Alvin Lack.
Provincial Fisheries Office of Albay, together with their TOS, TFB and NBBN, headed by their Provincial Fisheries Officer, CFO Alvin Lack. Meron ba tayong mga TOS managers dyan? Meron! Alright!
Yes!
Bug na naman para maubos tayo.
Okay, kilit na kayo. Thank you, PFO Albay.
That's PFO Albay! No to illegal fishing. Kaputok mo, pagsisihan mo. Nanakaw at nakuha mo nga, nasarapan ka ba? No to poaching. Alright.
Okay, now,